Welcome to the 21st episode of Unengineered Podcast. The 20th episode is doing so well, guys. I think it's the new redesign or new marketing or whatever. I don't know. And it wasn't even about tech, it was just about us. So I'm glad it's successful. I just hope this one is successful too.
Yep.
So in this episode, we're gonna talk about the new update to WhatsApp, the payments feature, the chat feature, and the 15% Apple cut. So stay tuned for that.
And because Advait forgets to do this again and again, hello, on engineers. Let's get started with this episode.
So let's start with WhatsApp, I guess.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, and the payment feature. So turns out now your friends can ask you for money and you don't even have to change your app to send them money.
And
So
you
they
cannot,
can loot you when
you
you
can't give, you can't give excuse. Oh भाई अभी जी पे नहीं चल रहा है. Sorry भैया. ऐसा नहीं अभी नहीं चलेगा. ठीक है पैसा देना है वापस अभी. So apparently, so WhatsApp Pay has finally rolled out to 20 million WhatsApp users in India as of now. I have been waiting for this feature
Yeah.
for a year now. मैं एक साल से वेट कर रहा हूँ इस फीचर का, ठीक है?
Really?
Yeah.
I haven't gotten it on my phone. I don't know why. सबको मिल गया मेरे को छोड़ के.
क्या ना? It's I'll
So
tell
it's
you
not
why.
20
I'll tell you
million.
why it's 20 million.
19 million, 9. No. 9 million.
Ouch, man. Very optimistic of Advait to assume that he's within the 20 million. Let me give you some context, okay? WhatsApp has 400 million users in India, right? Which is more than the population of America, if I'm not wrong, right? Almost equal to the population of America. America has like 300 million, 400 million people. उतना इंडिया में WhatsApp users है, ठीक है? तो the problem with WhatsApp Pay coming into India was हमारी गवर्नमेंट ने 2 साल तक नाटक किया. 2 साल तक WhatsApp has been trying to push WhatsApp Pay into India for the last 2 years, believe it or not. But
What?
yes,
I didn't know that.
Yes, you don't know that. That's why I told you I've been waiting for it for a year.
Oh, they were bad. Okay, they weren't allowed to do it.
Yes, there were so many government regulations,
That I know.
and the banking sector is in India is, I don't know how to say it without.
Coffee regulated.
Yeah, I can't. I don't know how to say it without using the F word, but it's massively, it's so messed up. Like that is why you saw PMC Bank go down. Recently, what happened with Lakshmi Vilas Bank go down. All these stupid banks have been giving bad loans out to people. That's a separate podcast in itself. But because of all these regulations and all this red tape, WhatsApp Pay को इंडिया में आने को 2 साल लगा, ठीक है? I have been waiting for the last 1 year, and since WhatsApp has such a big user base in India, Indian government ने बोला sorry, तुम लोग सीधा आके monopolize कर दोगे, तो मत आओ. So WhatsApp बोला सर रुको 1 सेकंड 2 सेकंड रुको सर रुको, थोड़ा कॉम्प्रोमाइज करते ना तेरा ना मेरा, मैं स्टार्टिंग में 20 मिलियन को देता हूँ, फिर धीरे धीरे सबको दे दूंगा, समझा?
Oh, so it's not rolled out to everyone.
Yeah, it's not
That
rolled.
is why I
No.
haven't gotten it.
Yeah, it's not rolled out to everyone.
Damn it.
It's a graded rollout. It will eventually, gradually roll out to more and more people. So essentially, the first 20 million people are just beta testers for WhatsApp Pay. in a way.
Okay, now I feel better.
Yeah. So you're gonna get the better version of WhatsApp Pay. I hope that consoles the others.
No, भाई मेरे बैंक अकाउंट में पैसा नहीं था, दोस्त को मांग ही नहीं सकता.
जी. And you can just tell them for the next 2-3 years कि नहीं मैं कब तक नहीं WhatsApp पे.
नहीं, WhatsApp से नहीं दे सकता. नहीं, ये ले स्क्रीनशॉट नहीं है मेरे पास का ऑप्शन. Well, so India is moving to a digital currency pool काफी ज़्यादा. And I don't know about everyone, but I actually quit Clash unless it's absolutely necessary.
Same.
Because I hate touching those notes and
Same.
coins which have exchanged so many hands COVID के time.
Yes, same.
So मैं actually wallet नहीं लेके जाता, पता है क्या? Just to avoid things that
Bro,
Don't
even
allow
before COVID, I hated
GP
carrying
or
around
something
cash.
there.
Even before COVID, I never liked taking that big fat wallet. मैं literally 500 का नोट में बहुत back pocket में डालता, which is really unsafe. Don't do that, guys. But I'm just so. It's just.
How did you pay for auto then college आने के लिए?
अरे I used to put the wallet in my bag, right, and pocket में.
अरे हाँ.
अरे but when I'm not going to college, right, when I don't have a bag, I just hate carrying a wallet like cash. I just don't like doing it. So UPI has been a saving grace for me, right? Whenever I got
Actually, UPI is only limited to India, and it was made by the Indian government, and it works so well.
it
Like no other country has UPI.
Yeah, do you understand this, guys? There is no other country in the world, literally, where everybody can make payments under the same umbrella, right? That's what UPI is for India. 1.3, that's the potential goal. Ki 1.3 billion people can send each other money at the blink of an eye. That's the ability of UPI. ठीक है? And ये पूरी दुनिया में किधर भी नहीं है. What's surprising is that it was made by the government. A product which works
And-
extremely well and it impacts a lot of people and it has made a lot of people's lives easier and it's software based was made in India, which is extremely surprising.
The entry barrier of entry is so low. All you need is a bank
That's
account and a phone, and
That's it.
you're set up.
That's it.
Already.
Literally.
That is great.
The advent of WhatsApp Pay in India is particularly revolutionary. Like Facebook bhai बहुत excited है. Facebook bhai
It's like if you don't have the chat app, now you're missing out on payments too. Normally, now you're just missing out on chats, but payments too, damn. And the thing is, UPI is completely free. Like, pura. If you have a debit card, you have to pay a debit card charge at the end of the year. If you have a credit card, you pay
Oh really?
what do you pay credit card ke liye? Yeah, for credit cards also you have to pay something. At
I
the
think
end
it's
of the year.
2.5%.
Yearly fee or something like that you have to pay. UPI, मैं थोड़े टाइम पहले न्यूज़ में देखा था कि banks were charging some percentage of the transaction UPI के लिए or just something on the transaction, and the government issued an order for all the banks to return the money.
क्या बात कर?
Not just don't collect it upset, they just said कि return the goddamn money जितना तुमने collect किया था. Imagine all the banks having to go back and just return all
Reverse the
transactions.
transactions. Holy shit, that's a lot of work.
Let's start with the advantages of WhatsApp Pay. So the first advantage is not actually ours, it's Mark Zuckerberg's, and he's gonna have a massive expansion in WhatsApp again.
Bro, my
Because
god.
now not only are you missing out on chats, you're missing out on potential payments as well, and a payment platform that could be so big because of the way WhatsApp is integrated into our culture. Abhi WhatsApp
Seriously.
एक verb बन गया है.
Yeah.
WhatsApp me या ये.
Yeah. The first application that comes to my mind is me. जब भी मेरा for example, if I do an internship, right, or if I take up a paid gig or something, the reasons that they have for not paying me on time is less. You know, I can tell them कि भाई इधर ही payment का button है, कर दो pay. ठीक है? That's the biggest convenience that I can think of when it comes to freelancers and people who have their own businesses on WhatsApp. If you have not, I'm sure over the last 1 year, अगर तुमने कहीं फ्लाइट की बुकिंग की है, तुमने कहीं ओयो रूम बुक किया है, तुमने कहीं से मंगाया खाना, स्विगी भी तुमको टेक्स्ट करता है आजकल भाई, तो you have received a text from a WhatsApp business account. Now the power of having, and now WhatsApp is also going to put a shop button in WhatsApp. I mean, do you understand how big this is? You're putting a product right in front of your customer, and then you're putting one tap payments. तेरे समझ रहा है Facebook का क्या full game plan? For the last 3 years, he mentioned a massive expansion, right? This is what he meant by massive expansion. Facebook last 2 साल में WhatsApp ने businesses शुरू किया. Facebook ने actually पहले Facebook businesses शुरू किया. Then WhatsApp businesses शुरू किया, and then WhatsApp payments शुरू किया. It's super planned, like काफी ज़्यादा planned था, and the friction between someone shopping on WhatsApp is so much less now than any other platform. You can't do that on Instagram, you can't do that on Facebook, right? Facebook पे one tap payments का feature नहीं है, Instagram पे one tap payments का feature नहीं है, WhatsApp में है, like literally. The amount of time that it takes for you to send a picture to someone, उतना टाइम तुमको किसी को पे करने में लगेगा, right? So that's,
and it just ties into the vision, right? So
yes,
Mark Zuckerberg का starting में क्या था? Put ads and then ads will take them to the company का payment platform and there you pay. Now this removed it and directly connected those two,
exactly.
and they are responsible for the connection of it.
Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
in a way उनका ज़्यादा loss नहीं हुआ, and they just got rid of ads, which is
Nice.
one of the biggest annoyance of Facebook in general.
I swear, man, it's insane. So yeah, that's the that's the good news for people who have WhatsApp business accounts, and it just gives people more incentive to open a WhatsApp business account. And now that earning money via WhatsApp for small or medium businesses is so easy, Facebook is obviously going to take a cut out of it. अभी कितना cut है मुझे पता नहीं exactly, but I hope it's not too much.
And this is also good for salespeople, like those who text customers. You can just text people, show them the क्या बोलते हैं, ask them to pay right over there, and send them the receipt. That I know a person who has a cake business and she works through WhatsApp.
Exactly.
Like Instagram पे account है,
That is.
but she talks to people on WhatsApp and then asks कैसा cake चाहिए and stuff, and you can just pay her there and just get
Exactly.
and you'll get the receipt and then you'll get the cake part.
Before WhatsApp Pay, there was the झंझट of, oh, I'll have to go to GPay, and GPay का अगर transaction मेरा अगर बैंक का server टाइम पास कुछ respond नहीं किया तो सीन हो जाएगा. There was always that big barrier between paying your service person, but now that's just been removed. The limitations are insane. I can think of 5 to 10 people right now. One of them is again someone who makes and sells cakes. I mean, it's so cool. It's so cool, man. She can earn money like
Also, there is this minor inconvenience when you move apps, right? कि ये सही number है. The amount of times I've texted people on Google Pay.
Yes.
Okay, is
I
this,
did it last week.
Are
Dude.
you this? So wait, that gets removed completely. So it's a minor inconvenience, but it's still an inconvenience. And minor inconveniences multiplied by the number of transactions you have become a major inconvenience.
Yes.
Let's come to the disadvantages. So the only disadvantage I think there is to this feature is you're gonna be even more dependent on Facebook. And the history has taught us that that's a bad thing. That's a bad thing.
Yes.
So
that's something we've always advocated against in all of our previous podcasts as well. Don't get too dependent on one company, one manufacturer, one OEM. Just don't get dependent.
That's partly the reason why WhatsApp was blocked for a couple of years. That they have a huge user base, and I guess the government was worried that they'll become the monopoly.
They were like,
you already said that.
Yeah, exactly. It's okay. So yeah, I mean the government भी थोड़ा सोच समझ के बोलती है यार.